each tribe had their story about the flood that was carried down through the generations even until today. And these were the events that took place when the earth entered the Ark of Noah, the 17th ark after the creation of man. And from the Ark of Noah, the 17th ark, to the Ark of Cosmon, the 25th ark, which we are in now, is 8 ark cycles of 3,000 years, which is 24,000 years since the flood of Noah, or sinking of Pan. And with that, I'd like to say peace and blessings and catch you on the next documentary called The Five Sons of the Ark of Noah. Shalom.